Your business does not exist. Not legally. Not to most lenders. Even if you formed an LLC. Even if you got your EIN. There is still one number missing that makes your business completely invisible. Without this one number, no commercial lender, no major vendor, and no large supplier can even find your business in their system. It is called a DUNS number. And getting one is completely free. By the end of this video you will know exactly what it is and how to get it today. Let me tell you about Rachel. She ran an online boutique business. She had done everything right. Formed an LLC. Got her EIN. Opened a business bank account. She applied for a $15,000 vendor credit line to stock up inventory for the holiday season. Denied. No explanation given, just a generic rejection email. She called the vendor directly to ask why. Their answer surprised her completely. They said, "We searched for your business and found absolutely nothing. As far as our system is concerned, your business does not exist." Rachel had an LLC. She had an EIN. But she had never registered for a DUNS number. And that one missing piece made her completely invisible to commercial credit systems. She registered for a free DUNS number that same day. 30 days later she reapplied for the same vendor credit line. This time, approved for the full $15,000. Nothing else about her business changed. Same LLC. Same EIN. Same revenue. The only difference was one number that made her finally visible. So let us break this down. What exactly is a DUNS number? And why does almost every major lender and vendor rely on it? DUNS stands for Data Universal Numbering System. It is a unique 9-digit identification number assigned to your business by Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet is the world's largest business credit bureau. Nearly every bank, lender, government agency and major supplier checks this database before doing business with you. Think of your DUNS number as your business's global ID card. Without it, your business simply does not exist in the eyes of the commercial credit world, no matter how legitimate it actually is. Here is the key difference. Your EIN is your tax identity with the IRS. Your DUNS number is your credit identity with the commercial world. You need both, they serve completely different purposes. Without a DUNS number, your business is invisible to an entire ecosystem of commercial relationships. Commercial lenders cannot verify you. Net 30 vendors cannot approve you. Government contracts require it just to bid. Large suppliers will not even consider working with you. Here is the part most people do not realize. Your Paydex score, your actual business credit score, cannot even be calculated by Dun & Bradstreet without a DUNS number. No DUNS means no score. Period. Once you have a DUNS number, everything changes. Your business becomes searchable, verifiable and fundable across the entire commercial credit ecosystem. Here are the 4 specific things a DUNS number unlocks for your business immediately. Number 1. A Paydex score. This is the actual numerical credit score lenders check, ranging from 1 to 100. Without a DUNS number, this score simply cannot exist. Number 2. Eligibility for net 30 vendor accounts. Companies like Uline, Quill and Granger check your DUNS number before approving any credit account. Number 3. The ability to bid on government contracts. The US government requires a DUNS number as a baseline requirement for any business wanting to work with federal agencies. Number 4. Instant credibility with large suppliers and corporate partners. A DUNS number signals that your business is established, verified, and serious. Now let me show you exactly how to get your DUNS number for free. This process is simple but takes a little patience. Go to dnb.com, the official Dun & Bradstreet website. This is the only legitimate place to register for a free DUNS number. Just like with the EIN, many websites charge $200 or more to get you a DUNS number. This is completely unnecessary. Dun & Bradstreet provides this free directly. Step 2. Search first to see if your business already has a DUNS number. Sometimes businesses are automatically assigned one without realizing it. Use the free DUNS number lookup tool on the website. Step 3. If no existing DUNS number is found, click the option to get a new DUNS number. Fill in your business legal name, address, EIN, and business structure. Step 4. Submit your application. Processing typically takes anywhere from 5 to 30 days for the free standard option. There is also an expedited paid option if you need it faster, but it is not required. Step 5. Once approved, you will receive your unique 9-digit DUNS number directly by email. Save this number, you will need it for almost every commercial credit application going forward. Once your DUNS number is active, here are the exact next steps to start building real business credit. First, apply for your first Net 30 vendor account with companies like Uline or Quill. Your DUNS number is now active in their system, making approval far more likely. Second, make small purchases on your Net 30 accounts and pay them early, not just on time. Paying early actually improves your Paydex score faster than paying exactly on the due date. Third, check your Paydex score monthly on the Dun & Bradstreet website to track your progress. Watching this number grow is one of the most motivating parts of building business credit. EIN, LLC, and DUNS. These are 3 pieces of the exact same puzzle. Miss even one, and your business stays partially invisible to the commercial credit world. Remember Rachel? She had 2 out of 3 pieces. One missing number cost her a $15,000 approval, until she fixed it. Do not let this be your story too. If you do not have a DUNS number yet, register this week completely free at dnb.com. This is the missing piece that makes your business finally visible. In the next video, I am going to break down exactly how your business credit score works compared to your personal score, and how to check both completely free. If this was useful, you know where the subscribe button is. And comment DUNS below if you already have yours, or comment invisible if this just made you realize your business might be missing this piece.